Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. Looks like we're having a bounce. Looks like we are having a bounce. But before we get there, let's get on to the news. A little recap for this past week. GameStop invests $513 million in Bitcoin. GameStop has purchased approximately 4,710 Bitcoin, totaling around $513 million, as part of its strategic push into crypto. This move aims to rejuvenate investor interest and diversify its financial strategy amidst struggles in the core business. Now, GameStop, it dipped. It dipped about 10% when this came out this week. I believe when MicroStrategy started its reserve, it did the same thing. So I would say that this is very bullish. I would say this is very bullish. All right, moving on. United States. I don't know why I made that. Oh, that. I don't know why I did that. But United States establishes strict strategic Bitcoin reserve. The United States government has created a strategic Bitcoin reserve, holding approximately $21 billion in digital assets seized from criminal and civil cases. This initiative positions the United States as a pioneer in recognizing crypto as a strategic asset. So again, that's another bullish article. Another bullish article. All right, moving on. JD Vance advocates for crypto legislation. At the Bitcoin 2025 conference, JD Vance highlighted the Trump administration's support for crypto and urged Congress to pass pro-crypto legislation, including the Genius Act, to create a federal framework for stable coins. I wish I didn't see it. Wish this wasn't here. But yeah. So I would say that that's pretty bullish as well. Basically, everything is all of this news is definitely bullish. It's definitely bullish. All right, moving on. If you guys haven't noticed, this is another crypto um, video. All right, crypto market experiences pullback. Bitcoin price dipped below 106,000, and the overall crypto market contracted by approximately 5%. Analysts suggest this pullback may be a consolidation phase, with major players remaining confident in Bitcoin's long-term value. This is actually the reason why I'm making a video today. I wasn't going to make one, but I saw everything bouncing. I saw things bouncing. All right, moving on to last but not least, we have Pakistan. Pakistan announces national Bitcoin reserve. How do I get out of this? Bear with me. There we go. All right. Moving on. All right. So, Pakistan has announced its plans to establish a national Bitcoin reserve, and allocate 2,000 megawatts of electricity to support Bitcoin mining and AI data centers, drawing inspiration from the United States strategic moves in crypto adoption. I don't know why I read it like that, but yeah. So another bullish article. Another bullish article, guys. Crypto is about to go crazy. Everybody thinks, we're gonna come back down like 2021. Nah, not in my book. Not in my book. What should I say? Not in my TA, technical analysis. All right, so let's see what. Let's talk about what I see. What I see. So, I believe 12 was when I started it. Yes. Yeah, so we're definitely trading along this trend line on a 12-hour. Kind of want to take this volume out just for now. Just for now. There we go. Yeah, so we're trading along this 12-hour trend line, starting from my birthday actually, April 9th of this year. All right, let's move down some more to see this flag or this descending channel. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that looks good like that. So, here we are. We have 30 minutes on a 6-hour. Meaning that this 3 candlestick pattern has been confirmed. And the reason why I say that, and when we have 30 minutes left, is because this candle was a 6-hour candle. And from my experience, 30 minutes left in the 6-hour candle, it's pretty much set. So we have the reversal starting. You can see some type of double bottom right there as well. You have a double bottom there as well. Let's see what I did see, like the little golf club thing right here as well on the 30-minute. I forget what pattern this is, but if you look at it, it's almost like a golf club. See, that's the handle, the pole of the golf club, and then this is the part that touches the ball. It's crazy. I don't know what these are called. I used to play golf, not like on a team or anything. But I was pretty good. I was pretty good at golf back in the day. I was pretty good. Let's see. That's good enough. And then we have like a flag on like what, the 10-minute? Yeah, that's very bullish. Yeah. Because this candle or the next one's going to touch it down there. It's going to. It is going to. Yeah, that's it for this video. No, I'm just playing. But yeah. See, it's already starting. It's going to fall in between here. Somewhere around in here, it's going to fall. Gonna fall somewhere in between there if it does. But we're gonna come back to this. We are going to come back to this one. And just keep on moving on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go through. I don't know, I'm lost. I'm just gonna go through these cryptos. I kinda wanna stick to meme coins, low caps today, just because that's where most people make all the money at. Make all the money. All right, let's move on to the guys. I counted earlier today. I have about 55 cryptos that I'm looking at. Yes, it's a lot, but however, crypto, meme coins, altcoins, they're going to follow Bitcoin. They're going to follow Bitcoin. And since I'm like I said in a couple of videos previously, and since I'm not using leverage, I have to be in these multiple trades to act as if it's leverage. That makes sense. So basically, I can get like a 50x. Basically, I can get a 50x if I am in every single one of these. I can get a 50x on my money. I think those. I think that's. I mean, I think that's good. I mean, I probably won't do 50. I'll probably stick to like a between 5 and 10. But hey, when that banana zone hit deep, I might just start throwing money in here. But anywho, let's get back on track. Yeah, so basically everything is doing the same. This reversal, nice reversal, real nice reversal. Like, guys, just look at it. Look at it. This is just a whole different story. It's just been running. ZBCN has just been running. Another reversal. Mind you, this is on a 6-hour. So it's definitely going to hold its value. This one, not too sure when. I actually just started looking at this one yesterday. I probably won't do nothing with this one, honestly. Oh, wait, no, it just came out this year. That's why it's looking like this. Gotcha, coach. XCN. Let's move that down like so. Of course, this is the flagpole. You know what I'm saying? All right. Another reversal. To be honest, it looked like it broke through. Man, that sucker broke through. That sucker, is this a double bottom? And man, that look like a double bottom. This looks like a double bottom. Yeah, boom, boom. This looks like a double bottom. Yep. This is actually, I got some money in hype too. So boom, 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 boom. That's what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. All right, let's move on. I'm just excited. Man, side note or side tangent. I'm just excited that I finally got this stuff. All last year, it was like, how? How do I know how to, get out? How do I know when to buy? I started from zero last year. Started from zero. It just shows you if you stick to something long enough, you will become great at something. You will become great at it. Yeah, I mean, I went through possibly 3 or 4 different strategies, and then the strategy that I use now, I think I changed it up like 3 or 4 times. It's crazy. It's been a long battle, and the payoff is about to hit. The payoff is about to hit. All right, let's just go down this list. Let's go down this list. VVS broke out. What was this? Yesterday, this broke out. Yeah, yesterday we got the. Yeah, that's not really the 3 white doves, but yeah, we broke out yesterday on the 2-day trend line. So that's bullish right there. That's bullish. Let's see. And another Chronos. I think this is Chronos. Yes, Chronos. Chronos broke out as well. With reversal. A reversal. Yep, reversal. The MACD. Man, I why do anybody need to work again? Just learn how to trade. You have time with your family, your friends. It took me a year. And I taught myself. I didn't pay for anything from Aristotle. I didn't pay anything from what's his name? Trap. Ooh. Trap. Ooh, what is his name? Bear with me, guys. I have to find this name. I gotta go on YouTube. Ooh, Trap Motivation. Dang. What's the man name, man? Trading. Wall Street Trapper. Wall Street Trapper. Oh, wait. I did. Yes, so we did, me and my wife, my wife and I, should I say, we did buy something from Wall Street Trapper. However, that was strictly for my wife. That was strictly for my wife. By the time that she was going through that course, uh, I was already, I was knowledgeable with price action. I knew everything. I won't say I knew everything. I knew a lot to be able to not have to go through that course. And that course, it was the one that we paid for. It was like the beginner of the beginner of the beginner of the beginner. It's like if I would have used that last February, it would have been helpful for me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So basically, what I did was just watch videos. I just watched so many videos. So many videos. I will even show you guys. I will even show you guys if I can find it. want to play anything. I just want to see the whole playlist. All right. Ooh, there we go. So there is 176 videos that I've watched. And a lot of these, I would probably say about 20% of these videos are duplicates, meaning it's talking about the same topic, but it's a different person explaining it, if that makes sense. Different person explaining it, so, I might understand the way he's doing it rather than the way she's doing it. But yeah, I watch all types of stuff. I watched all types of stuff. And then some of this stuff, you got the gurus on here. I found out real quick about these gurus. Real quick. Now, some of them, talk about some good stuff. And especially if you're a beginner, you want to take in everything that you can. But I don't know why this is on here. Something that I was looking at years ago. I'm not even that person no more. I don't want no jewelry. Especially now. Now that the way I think is differently. I still got all of this stuff on here from when I was starting my box truck business. Wow. All right, I keep getting sidetracked today. This video's already long. All right, so let's look at Floki. Is this Floki? Yes. I believe the 6 hour. Yes, yay. I don't think I should be saying that on here, but we here now. No pun intended. We here now. Boom. It's a nice descending channel. It's very nice. And of course, you got the reversal. Another reversal. And this is all shown from the 6 hour. This 6 hour be hitting. It's like the perfect time. This 6 hour be hitting. It's another. This look exactly like a flag, or should I say, no, a pennant. It looks exactly like a pennant, and this is on the higher time frame as well. Mooding. Yeah, a lot of these I copy from Crypto R Us. Yeah, so he just came out with a new video, a new website that he promotes on his videos, and he had a section on his site saying like meme coins and stuff like that. And with me starting with a small account, I was like, you know what? Maybe I should look at these so I can build that account much faster. And I'm pretty sure that's what all meme coin traders think about as well. But moving on. Another pennant. The GOAT. Win. Boom, reversal. Link. I don't know why I linked down here, but you got the link right there as well. Yesterday I spent time with going through. Should I put it right there? Oh, that's hard right there. Oh yeah, there we go. I don't know why I just got so excited. But yep, that's chain link right there. And BNB. Now, if you guys remember, I said I was going to take this off. So I added it yesterday because I saw George Crypto or Us. I seen him with I seen this on the website, and he's also been talking about a lot of news with BNB as well. Yeah. So yeah, moving on. I ain't even got a what you call it on here, but however, we can always add it up. Boom, 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 boom. That works. Yeah, that works. That's it. Boom, wedge. That works. Man, just draw your shapes. Know your shapes. Know how to look for patterns. That's all it is. Well, that's my strategy. That's my strategy. Then of course you also need to know what's the significance of these two candles. This candle engulfed that one. Just certain things that you pick up. But yeah. You've been watching We Here Now. I'm X. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And again, give feedback so we can get better together. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.